How's it going? Austin Mayfield here. I hope you're doing great today. For those of you that have not joined up with us at No Limit Products, whether it be the affiliate program or starting or transferring your existing drop shipping business, you need to check us out, guys. You can start selling products 100% for free your first 30 days. I've got a link in the description below for that, as well as the affiliate program. It's not just any affiliate program, guys. It's 50% residual commission every single month. So what you're doing is simply referring vendors to sell their products on No Limit Products Marketplace. Um, they will pay after the first free 30 days. They will pay either $25 a month for the value seller account or $50 a month for the gold seller account. And the gold seller account, many people compare it to about a $300 a month Shopify store, um, which is an incredible value. Okay. When you sign up for the affiliate program, it is 100% free, of course. You will be provided with about a $2,000 value free training course. Okay. Take advantage of this training, even if you're already a member of several affiliate programs and can't really tackle another one. Sign up and we'll give you the training course for free. It's great free training. Take advantage of it. Let me know of any questions you might have in the comment section. I've got everything you need to get started in the description below this video. Any questions, let me know. Austin Mayfield, take advantage of this. It's free. Thanks.